In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D artwork using Blender's Grease Pencil. Whether you're new to 3D art or looking to expand your creative toolkit, this walkthrough will guide you through building your very own three-dimensional form with the Grease Pencil tool. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll set up our scene. You can add a blank Grease Pencil object by pressing Shift and the A key simultaneously. When the menu pops up, navigate to the Grease Pencil section and select Blank. This gives you a new canvas to start with. Now, to really focus in on your 2D animation work, switch over to the 2D animation workspace. This layout is tailored specifically for tasks like these, providing you with all the relevant tools you need for a streamlined workflow. Now that our scene is ready, let's adjust how our strokes are placed within it. We begin this process by entering Draw Mode. You can easily do this by either clicking the Mode button located in the top left corner of your screen, or by simply pressing the Tab key. Once you're in Draw Mode, direct your attention to the Tool Settings panel where you'll find an option called Stroke Placement. This is where things get interesting. By choosing 3D Cursor, you instruct the program to start new strokes right from the position of the 3D cursor. If you'd like to reposition this cursor, all it takes is holding down the Shift key and right-clicking to place it somewhere new. For those who want their artwork to interact more dynamically with other objects in the scene, selecting Surface for stroke placement is your go-to. This option lets you draw directly on the surface of another object, adding an extra layer of depth to your creations. If there's a particular distance you want between your strokes and the object's surface, play around with the offset adjustment to get it just right. Once those settings are dialed in, it's time to start building our 3D forms. This is where the magic truly begins. As you sketch your strokes, try switching your viewport to different orthographic views, such as the front, side, or top view. This perspective switching is crucial as it allows you to see exactly how your strokes sit in the three-dimensional space, ensuring accuracy and symmetry in your work. Remember to rotate your 3D view consistently to understand the placement and relationship of your lines in three-dimensional terms. Oh, and here's a pro tip for ensuring your lines are silky smooth. Activate the Stabilize Stroke feature within your stroke settings. This little addition will help maintain the fluidity of your lines, giving your final artwork a polished and professional edge. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough approach to crafting 3D forms with Blender Grease Pencil. With practice, you'll be able to seamlessly bring your 2D sketches to life in a vivid 3D space. Happy creating!